Winter weather advisory.
It has been a boring winter, to say the least, and we're finally getting a little snow around here. We do have an advisory issued, so that's actually one step down from the winter storm watch that was issued yesterday. So now all of us under the advisory. Timing is the same, 9 a.m. to 3 a.m. tomorrow. We do still see some snow out there this morning. We will before 9 a.m., though it's really kind of light and scattered. And even in your morning hours, even that 9 a.m. hour when this all kind of starts to begin, it's still pretty light. We get into the heaviest snow between the hours of about noon to 5. We get into these kind of pockets of heavier snow, which would reduce your visibility. 3 to 6 inches for most areas, with the highest totals looking to be in our northern and especially northeastern sections. And that, again, isn't until the early parts of tomorrow morning due to some lake effect overnight. Here's a look at current radar, drying things up a little bit. We had a dusting out there this morning. You've got a little flurry action still through parts of Lake County. Otherwise, bulk of the snow still way off to our west. And again, late morning, the bulk of this starts to roll in. We'll get into timing and totals coming up. If you're headed out this morning, it's mostly dry other than flurries, with temps anywhere from 15 to 26. It's 20 now at O'Hare, 25 at the lake. We'll make it to about 28 today. Detailed forecast in a couple minutes. Brett's here with traffic first. Brett? Advisory, it starts at 9 in the morning, lasts until 3 in the morning tomorrow, so late tonight. It's been downgraded. Yesterday it was a winter storm watch. A winter weather advisory would be one step down. There's not quite as much moisture as kind of readily available in the atmosphere to get, that 6+ inches of snow for most locations, which is what is warranted for a winter storm watch or warning. The pink is still a warning. We do see that into southeastern Wisconsin there, and that's due to lake effect, and we may see some of that lake effect, especially enhanced parts of Lake County late tonight. We'll get to that. Right now, if you're headed out, you do have light snow falling, Cook County, Lake, and McHenry County. Some flurries there moving through Kendall, and it's all moving into DuPage next. Just a wide view. There's plenty of snow off to our south and west, Wichita up to Kansas City and Omaha, all seeing it, and that's what's tracking our way. This is a live look at Rosemont camera, kind of looking over I-90 there. That's the O'Hare field, and you can see obviously snow falling and making it to the ground. It's all really light this morning, and it stays light through your morning. Even the onset of it, this is 8-9 a.m. That's when our advisory kicks in. That's kind of the leading edge of all of the snow for today. It still looks pretty light at that time, though it does overspread the area. As we get closer to 11 or noon, and then all the way until 4 or 5 o'clock, we see those pockets of heavier snow. There's your lunch hour. Here's 5 o'clock evening commute. Still looks to be snowing, and again, still some pockets of heavier snow possible. And then as we get around 7, 8, we start to watch that lake effect, or lake enhancement, I should say, chance, and really kind of eyeing Lake County. May start to see some of that swing into Cook around 11 or midnight. We'll keep a chance even into Northwest Indiana in the early parts of your Thursday morning. Here are those totals. No big changes. A little lower in our southern sections, which we talked about yesterday morning being potential. I think a lot of us 3 to 6 inches. We'll watch that lake enhancement there in Lake County. Further south, 2 to 4 inches. Our far southwest counties there. Will, Grundy, Kankakee County, even LaSalle County. Temps anywhere from 15 to 26 degrees. It's 19 at O'Hare right now, 25 at the lakefront, and you're looking at upper 20s at Midway. Around 28 here today. Low visibility, obviously, with some of these pockets of heavier snow. Again, a lot of that running between about 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. 16 overnight, snow tapers off. We do have that lake enhancement possible, and then 18 with decreasing clouds tomorrow. Another snow chance late day Friday and into Friday night and Saturday. That's your forecast.